Alright, boys and girls, we are on to step number 3. If you remember drawing a snowman hat, you can probably do this. Well, I know you can do this. You guys got this. I'm going to use my nice big Sharpie marker so that you can see at home, but you might want to be using a pencil just to make sure you get it right. Okay, so here we go. My first step, I'm going to create an oval. A very fancy word is ellipse, but I'm gonna say it's an oval. The reason why we make an oval, it's the tabletop is actually a circle, but the way that we view it, when we view it from far away or from if we were sitting down, it's going to appear that it's an oval, even though if you got close and you were looking from the top, it would be a circle. But this is going to help it really look like a tabletop. Now we're going to create this cylinder fishbowl. You could create whatever type of fishbowl that you want, but if we're being inspired by Matisse, we want to keep it this cylinder because that's how he did his goldfish. So I'm going to create 2 lines that come up and space them however tall you want, however wide you'd like your fishbowl. Now to create your base, give it a smile. And to create your top, give it a smile. And then give it a sad face. And then right here, give it a sad face. And now you have your tabletop and your fishbowl. So you can add whatever you'd like on here. Now remember, you should be using a pencil. So if you were doing a flower pot on here, you could erase any of those yucky lines that are back there. You can create whatever you want. If you want to do a flower, you can do a flower. Totally up to you. You're gonna have to do some creative cutting over here, but that's okay. And I'm going to put my fishies inside. Also, see that water level? That's just another boop, boop, wherever you want your water to be. So now I have this filled up with water. I'm gonna throw some fishies in there. Do a curved line and a curved line. Happy face, sad face. Some little triangles over here. You can make whatever type of fish you want. If you have betta fish, if you want to put some pebbles at the bottom, you can put pebbles at the bottom. If you want to put plants in your fishbowl, you can have more than one fish. You can have one fish. It is totally up to you. You can create just like in our example. Let me open that up again, bring that up. So if you look inside the fishbowl, so this is a little bit different than maybe what you might be drawing, but if you want to create on the top some of those reflections of the fishbowl, of the fish, you can. Also take a look, there are some leaves that we can see through. So if you want to draw some of those leaves on here, you can draw some of those leaves that might be in the background. You can add some of those in there. You can color that. When you're all done coloring it, you are going to cut out. And when you cut out, here's my tip, whenever you cut out, cut off all that stuff you don't need. Just cut it right off. Anything you don't need, get it out of your way. Whee! I always say, make it snow, make it snow. So you're going to carefully cut out everything, getting it ready for gluing it down. When you get over here, just do your best. Even if you have to go around things, that's okay. You don't have to make it perfect. There we go. All right, so now I have my 2 fish bowls. I'm gonna get my drawing that I did. Here we go. Here's my drawing. Now here is where the magic's gonna happen. I'm going to put a little bit of glue right here, just a little bit. You can use glue stick or liquid glue. You can even use tape if that's what you have. And then you're going to use your fish bowl and you are going to line it up right about there. And I'll turn it this way so you can see. Take a look at that. Doesn't that look cool? Looks like a real awesome fishbowl table. Looks very 3D, super cool. If you want to, you can fold an additional piece of paper, or even if you have a colored piece of paper. This is just a plain piece of paper, just folded it like that very first step. You can slide it back there if you want to create a background. You can do that. So you could even draw on the inside if you wanted to and create almost like a card, like if you folded it up, or like a little book and you can open up. So there you go. That was our last step. Don't forget to add color. So hope you had fun. And as always, enjoy. Don't stay creative. Bye, everybody.